Hello, everyone. This is Jim Ogozinski with your weekly lecture video. This is more of a review just to emphasize some of the important points and activities in and around the review project. I'd like to begin first off talking about article formatting. It was on the schedule. I have the example up here, and you can find that in Blackboard in the course units, and I'll get there in a minute. But I have the example here as a successful demonstration of article formatting with the title of the particular review. Hopefully, people can come up with a unique and interesting title for their review. It usually is a 14-point font, bold is okay, and then what I call the byline, by your name, right? We see it demonstrated here, smaller chunks of information that I've talked about before in previous videos. So I want to demonstrate the article formatting here. Most of the attempts that I saw, the first drafts, were pretty good about the article formatting, but I just wanted to remind some people who may still be working on the article, the review article, um, about the formatting. Okay. Also, here I have some of the criteria highlighted. Okay, remember when we evaluate, we come up with a thesis-like statement and we use criteria to evaluate your particular topic. One thing that makes the review difficult to write is that you have to weave between summary and analysis, and that's the evaluation part of any review. So hopefully the formatting and how to go about attacking the review article is there. All right, so let me get out of this right here. Go to the course units, the review project here. All right, and then here's where you can find that particular example. Now, one thing I did want to talk about and demonstrate is the web page. Now, everybody should be working in Google Sites, and the tutorial is pretty good at demonstrating how to build a web page. If I were to go to the example of the web page that I put out in the announcement, I'm in the group, I should say, build site for this particular web page that I used. Here is the build site for Groundhog Day. As you can see, here's all the components that makes up Google Sites. And then you can see the beginning stages right here of this particular um, um, example. All right, and the article and how it was all put together with text and images. Now, one thing I want to emphasize for the final submission as we move into the weekend is to publish your web page. Here we have a top on the right hand side, a publish button. You must publish that in order to access a published link. That is what I need submitted into Blackboard for final submission, because I will look at your web page and your article and grade from the published link. Since this has already been published, I'll click on the drop down here, and it has publish settings, review changes, and publish, view published site. Now, once you publish, it's going to ask you to name your site. Okay, you have to name your site. Your name, or what you may call your site, might be taken. This is a public offering from Google, so everybody's out there. And then you can, once you name it, you can make changes in it. You must publish it again, hit publish button again to accept those changes. So it gives you the option to review changes and publish, and then view published site. When you get the published site, what happens is you will get that published, or what I call the public link. Let me go back to that example here in announcements. Right here is where I have this. Let me open this up in a new tab. All right, and then here is the finished web page. All right, as you can see through the build site. So this is the link right here. It'll be sitesgoogle.com, and then you have the name of the site and then the particular page. Okay, so this is what you would submit to. let's get to the assignment uploads website. Please upload the published link to your review website by clicking the right submission button, opening up a text box, then click submit. You just copy and paste that link into the text box, and then all I have to do is just click on that link, view your page, and I will assess your efforts from there. Hopefully this clarifies the process. Everybody understands what I'm looking for and what the project may be at this point in time. When you perform the peer reviews, help your classmates out about formatting, about evaluating, and about their review article. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.